Growing concerns about synthetic food dyes are changing what's on America's shelves. As featured on The World and Everything in It, hosted by Mary Muncy, families, health advocates, and major brands are all rethinking what goes into the foods we eat. From Kraft Heinz to Nestle, major companies are reformulating their products as families and health advocates push back on synthetic food dyes. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is calling for a nationwide ban, citing growing evidence of health concerns. Bill Sabo, founder of Newport Flavors and Nature's Flavors, saw the effects of artificial colors years ago while coaching youth sports. He noticed one boy's behavior changed completely after drinking a bright blue sports drink.
We'd get back on the field and I would lose that boy. He would start chasing butterflies, and I began to realize the connection between him consuming that artificial blue color and his mind just scrambling.
Bill recalls, that moment drove Bill into the lab where he developed a natural color alternative. Nature's Flavors has been helping businesses worldwide replace artificial colors with clean plant-based solutions using cherries, hibiscus, beets, turmeric, and annatto to create safe and effective colors without the side effects of synthetic dyes. States are moving too. California, Virginia, and West Virginia have passed restrictions, mostly focused on school foods. California went further, banning red 3 statewide, and West Virginia's law expands to all products by 2028. According to World, more than 23 other states are considering similar regulations. And while natural colors can be more complex to work with, sensitive to acidity, heat, and shelf life, demand for them is only growing as consumers push for cleaner labels and safer foods. For Bill Sabo and Nature's Flavors, decades of innovation are meeting this moment, because when it comes to food, we believe color should come from nature and nowhere else. Explore our natural and organic colors today. Visit naturesflavors.com.